Assalamu alaikum. Hi there, I am Abu Al-Harith. I am a teacher for Arabic language. We have today the lesson Al-Huruf, Al-Huruf, the letters, Al-Huruf, or the sounds. Okay, the letters in the Arabic will start with Alif. Alif, Alif. It means A in English. A. Okay. The second one is Ba. 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 Okay. Next, Ta. 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 Like T in English. Then Tha, 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 like three in English, the first sound, three, Tha. Okay, then Jim, Jim, Ij, Jim. Don't say Jim. Don't say Gim, it's Jim. This is a standard. Jim. Okay. Then Ha, Ha, like this. It's hard. It's a narrow throat. Ha. Next, Kha. Kha, Kha, like this. Okay, don't say no, it's deep. Okay, then Dal, Id, Dal, Id. Okay, then Dal, Id. Dal, like the first sound of there. Okay, Dal. Then R, Ra, Ra, R, like this. R. Don't say no, it's R. Ra. Then Zai, Zai, Zai is like Z in English. Okay, then Seen, 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 S, like S in English. S, Seen, Sheen, 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 in English, SH. Okay. Then, this is a special sound. Us, 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 Sad, Sad. Its name is Sad. We pronounce it us, like us. Okay. This is is. This is us. Is. Us. Okay. Then the most special letter in Arabic, Dad. Dad. Allah. Allah. Don't say Dad. No. It's Dad. Fill your mouth with it. Fill your mouth with it. Allah, like this. Allah, la, 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 la. Walallali. Then Ta, Ta, Atta, Atta. It's banging. Atta, Ta. Don't say ta. No, it isn't ta. It isn't ta. It's ta, 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 like this. Okay. Va, va, this is in, in, okay. This is very deep. Okay, don't say uz. No. Say it. Your tongue is out of your mouth. Okay. Ayn. Ayn. This is a problem always with the non-native speakers. Ayn. Ayn. Okay. Ghayn. 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 Okay. Then if, like if in English. Like if in English. Then qaf, qa, 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 qa. Very deep. Qa, qa, qa. But the Arabs today, most Arabs don't pronounce this sound. They make it ga, yes, like go. Most of them, and some of them make it like this, like a in the Egypt and okay. Then kaf, k. Then lam, il. Don't say l. No, it's il. It's il. Allahu Akbar. M. Sorry. Mim. Like M in English. Then noon, N in English, and this is ha. We name it ha. Like H in English. Wow, W, wow. Okay. Yeah, E, like Y in English. These are the problem sounds in Arabic. It starts with ha, ha, okay. Kha, okay. Sad. Lad, fill your mouth with it. Lad. Don't say that, no. It's la. Okay. Ta, banging. Ta, and deep. Ta, okay. Va. Then ayn. Since the throat is hard. Ayn. Okay. Then oh, oh, like R in French. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Qaf, 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 qaf. And we said that most Arabs don't pronounce this sound. They pronounce it like ga, like the sound of go. Most of them, not all of them. These are some pairs of sounds. They have some differences. Like ta, 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 it, to, very deep. It, to. Okay. You notice that it's banging. Ta, ta, ta. Okay. Ha, 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 ha. Wide throat, wide throat. More air. Like this. Hard. Okay, narrow there. Kha, kha, like this is rain, rain, the sound is from the mouth, but this from the throat. Is sound. You can't make it without sound of your throat. Okay. This is this is very deep, and this is very the opposite of this. Seen is seen is what is os sad is os. Okay, that's all for today. السلام عليكم. ختام عجيب.